Hi, I'm Jimmy, an experiential learning specialist, and today we're in the BOOMbox, the STEAM space for the Skokie Public Library, and I will be showing you how to make rubber band fidget spinners. To create your rubber band fidget spinner, you will need 3 ball bearings, 2 small wide rubber bands, and 2 small thin rubber bands. First, we're going to take the 3 ball bearings, and you're going to keep them in a triangle formation. Then you will take your first wide rubber band and you will wrap it around the 3 ball bearings. Do the same thing with the second wide rubber band. Take this bearing and you will kind of pinch it in between the other 2. Next, you will take your thin rubber band and you're going to do a double loop around your fingers and you will wrap it around the end. As you can see, it wraps around the 3rd ball bearing. You will complete the same step with your last rubber band on the opposite side. And there you have your rubber band fidget spinner. Next time you're at the library, stop by the BOOMbox and see what activities you can try. What will you learn today?